I don't know if they feel and know how much I love each one of them.
Ate, we miss you so much. Magpapa-healthy ka, magpagaling ka. Tapos uwi kayo ng Pilipinas, kasama niyo na Orange, yung Ocean, yung Marvin. Pag-celebrate tayo nun. Holidays, magkakasama, sana sa susunod.